What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Three stocks to buy going into January or to buy January 2025. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly stock updates and analysis, but we also post weekly Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum, as well as weekly altcoin analysis, as well as we day trade over here. We live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 and EST on this very same channel. And before we get into this video, I gotta give a special shout out to the members and students going crazy to start off this year. We went 3-1 last week, giving us a 75% win rate. The week before that, we went 6-0, giving us a 100% win rate. And then, of course, to wrap up the year, we went absolutely insane. Let me show y'all really quick. Scroll. There we go. So for the year, we caught 326,550 pips to end or wrap up 2024. And we went 181 wins, only 23 losses. So we averaged under 2 losses per month, which is insane. Give us an 89% win rate. Everything's dated, time and documented. We go live every day. See screenshots of positions, signals, all that good stuff, y'all. First thing, description, check all that stuff out. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 3 stocks. I'm going to be going over my projections as well as key price points I recommend y'all DCing in and DCing out at. Okay. Now, the first one we're going to start off with is MicroStrategy. Now, if y'all watch my video that I dropped for y'all on Christmas, a little Christmas gift, I dropped 3 high potential stocks to turn 1,000 into 20,000 on December 25th. And one of those stocks was MicroStrategy. Now, if we go to December 25th, obviously y'all couldn't buy stocks because the markets were closed, but we go to going into January, right? We see the 31st, we see New Year's. So if y'all would have bought when the markets reopened, you would be up right now, right? Y'all could have got in at 311 or even 335. It's currently at 390, 396 to be exact. So shout out to those that watched that video and hopped in that. Y'all are up right now. Now, look, before we get into this, let's go ahead and talk about the stats and statistics. So for the year, so from this time, this month, from last year, this month, so January 2024, January now, it has done a 743% gain. Yep, you're looking at that correctly, ladies and gentlemen. For the week is up 14, almost 15%. So again, it's been going crazy. Now, as we look here on the charts, on the technical analysis side, we are clearly bullish. We had some nice consolidation. Then we had a higher high get made, retracement, and now this resistance level at 396, 400. If it can break and hold 396, 400 as support, we can see buys and price continuing going up to 555, ultimately 560. But for the uptrend to continue to see all-time highs get made, it's going to need to break and hold this level as support. Okay, y'all. Now, again, it's been just pushing. Do research on this coin. Again, this is a level that's failed to hold that support. It's about to reattempt to do so this week. We do got a few news events this week as well, so make sure to be on the lookout for those. Now, if it fails to break this level, it could try to retrace and retest 250. Okay, so make sure to pay attention to 250, 260 price range, and on the extreme, possibly down to 160. So again, you're late, but it's not too late. Remember, everybody always talk about dipping, tanking, right? Red does not always mean tanking. Green does not always mean flying. Retracements are a part of the game. You guys got to learn and understand the difference between a retracement and price actually tanking or reversing. All right, y'all. Now let's go into stock number 2, which is going to be Coinbase. Now, I've talked about Coinbase before as well. Now, this one's been going absolutely insane. For the year, it's done 130% gain. For the week, is up 12%, almost 13%. Now, let's go on to this, the chart side of things. Again, for the month, we have bullish momentum. We had this previous resistance level rejected. Now we have price retested, trying to hold it at support, and that price point is 270. Right, we're going to a smaller time frame. Let's take a look here. We can see price did indeed, in fact, off the retest, failed to hold that support, tried again, failed, and now we see price pushing through. Okay, so I do like how this is looking. Now, if it's actually at a good place to put a first position in as well, as far as trading or investment wise, right? Because again, you don't want to put all your investment money in at once. You want $2 cost average. Okay, you know, sprinkle it in. So if it can hold 295, 300 as support, it can make its way back up to 325, 330. Now it's going to need to break this level of traffic and hold 330 as support in order for it to reach back up and go up to 380. Okay. Now it's going to need to maintain and respect 265. If it fails to hold 265, it could try to retrace down to 225. Okay, but again, I do like how this is looking, but it does have some work to do, especially on the bigger time frames. Okay, but yeah, this thing's been going absolutely crazy, and again, it just makes sense to have some of this because crypto's been going crazy. Coinbase is one of the biggest platforms, especially on this side of the world, like America, North America, and all that stuff. So again, even if you're not on the crypto side of things, everybody else is hopping in on it. Might as well buy the stock. You get what I'm saying? Then that brings us into number 3, Palantir Technologies. Now, I've talked about this one before as well. Now, Palantir is, just look at it. It's been going crazy, right? For the year, it's done a 307% gain. For the week, it's up 7%. Now, as you can see, we're on the monthly, and this is a huge higher high. So again, you guys are late, but it's not too late. When you see a huge higher high get made like this, if it cannot maintain a hold the next levels of below it and break the levels above it, it's going to retrace. Okay, so right now it's trying to see if it can respect 65.70 price as support. Right now it currently is, but if it cannot hold that level as support, do not be shocked or surprised if it retraces back down to 60-50 bucks, or on the extreme retest this level at $35-36. Because again, when we look here on the smaller time frames, it retests this level and then blew through it. We have a gap right here. When it comes to gaps, there's going to be a point in time where that gap's going to get filled. And by filled, I mean price is going to retrace to fill that gap up before it pushes back up. So again, if y'all going to put a position in or put some money in, put some in now. But again, you don't want to put all of it in. You want to buy when things are on sale. I love shopping when things are red. I love shopping when things are red. Okay, y'all. Now, these are the 3 stocks I got for y'all today. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. If you want to do any analysis or any other stocks or coins, drop them in the comments. I got y'all. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.